gonna change up my schedule today. Instead of doing that massive Dollar Tree haul that I told you guys would be today, I'm actually gonna move it to tomorrow. And we're gonna do a Five Below haul instead. I'm doing this because I haven't quite finalized exactly how I want to do that video. I don't know if I want it to be like a super quick video, if I want it to be a super long video. I've also toyed around with maybe making it a live Dollar Tree haul, because there's just gonna be so many items in this video. So if you have any suggestions on how you kind of want to see this Dollar Tree haul, let me know. But we're gonna do Five Below until I make that decision. I spent $66.50. I actually went in for one thing, and it's one thing that I've already purchased from Five Below. You've seen it in a haul probably a while back, but it is a strawberry shortcake notebook. Actually, let me go get it. I'll show you guys because I already do own it, but I wanted a couple more and I'll show you why. I've got the notebook and this is the one I'm trying to find. Comes with these super cute tabs, and I decided I wanted more of them because I wanted the tab images. So I wanted to use them for like certain projects and junk journaling. And so I wanted to just get like a couple more of these notebooks. They've brought in like a new wave with like different tabs. I forget what, like there's Beetlejuice, but I don't know. I need to go to another Five Below and see if I can score this. So stay tuned, subscribe, hit the bell. YouTube will notify you when I post new videos. So I'm gonna be going on the hunt for this little notebook. But it's been around at Five Below for a while, and they've brought in, like I said, a new wave of these, but none of them are strawberry shortcake. So I'm thinking, is this, you know, these are just probably sold out at this point, so we'll see. But I was looking for these the last time I was at Five Below. I'll link my last haul down below, go watch it. And when I went, they didn't have them, and then I went back and they did, and I'm so excited. I saw somebody haul this, I think on TikTok, and the moment I saw this blueberry trinket tray, I knew I had to get this. I don't know if it's gonna be a hit with Micah, but she's been talking about like doing some fun little like DIY homemade things. She wants to make like these like little clay tiny like refrigerator magnets, and I was like, I don't know, maybe she might like, you know, painting and doing like this little project. So I got this pack, comes with the blueberry, the little strawberry, and the Pop-Tart, which is cute. And then if she wants like all of those, I could do this one for me. I thought it'd be really cute for like my craft room, a little waffle and a toast and a cinnamon roll. The cinnamon roll is taking me out. These were for sure $5. Also, is anything actually over $5 at Five Below? Are they like actually being honest about their store name? Cause like Dollar Tree's not $1 anymore. Let's not get into that. 99-cent below. We all know that's a big lie. Then I decided I just had to go back and get more of these strawberry playing cards. I showed them in my last video, so I'm not going to open them up in this video, but if you watched the last one, you know what it looks like. They're just $1. So besides searching for the journal, I knew that when I was going to walk into Five Below, I wanted to look for some yellow items. I want to do a birthday flower arrangement. I've seen these on TikTok and it's so cute. I actually need to go find the Stanley Cabana yellow stripe tumbler because I want to put the flowers in there. If I have a TikTok video, I'll throw it up. It depends on if the video is like downloadable or not, but I am gonna like attach like a barbecue skewer. It's how I'm seeing people do it, and it like holds it up and you like stick it, you know, throughout the vase kind of thing. So I got this Danny Beauty toner. This is an interesting brand that's at Five Below. I don't know anything about them, but they have a lot of stuff and I've hauled quite a few things. I also got a yellow Laffy Taffy. I'll also add it, put it to the skewer, which I'm gonna get the skewers from Dollar Tree. And then if I don't already have some, then I got Starburst. So again, I'll add that to the skewer. Has just that yellow packaging. The same thing with the Juicy Fruit. I thought that would be cute. And I've also got a Lemon Head. So, and then I'm also going to go to Kohl's. Kohl's has like the Touchland hand sanitizer. I was looking for the yellow one that I hauled from Five Below, but I already opened that one and that one's mine. So I did look for that yellow hand sanitizer because I just would have used that. And when I was at Walmart, I didn't find a yellow hand sanitizer, but I was at Kohl's the other day and I saw they had a yellow Touchland. And that one's 20 bucks, unfortunately. I don't know. I'm gonna look on Amazon, maybe see if there's like a cheaper one, but I do want like a yellow themed package hand sanitizer. And that's pretty much it. Then I found, oh wait, no. I also got the Trident pineapple gum in yellow. So all of this is gonna be kind of like sticking out from a floral arrangement. So I'm gonna get yellow flowers and like baby's breath, put it in a yellow cup, and then it'll be like a birthday gift. All right, then I found the strawberry shortcake stickers. I've actually been looking for these. I've actually seen people selling them on Amazon, and I've been telling myself to just hold off because I know that they're coming from Five Below. Massive strawberry shortcake craze. Because look at this. I have not even seen anyone haul this. I've not seen anyone talk about it, but I haven't seen like that many videos, so I'm sure it's already out there. It has to be. But what? It's a Legos strawberry shortcake bakery. They're calling it a construction set. I guess they can't say Legos, I don't know. But how freaking cute is that? I'm definitely gonna make it, put it together, and put it in my craft room. And I'm also gonna cut away the box and use it for junk journaling. The back is so cute, look at this. And it has a little cutout too. I don't know if you can see the little dotted edge. It looks like you can just kind of like pop it out. Oh, and then you get the girls, and then I guess they can like play in the scene. Pop out characters in background for more play. Okay, I absolutely love that. Please comment though and let me know, are there different construction sets at Five Below for strawberry shortcake? Oh, there's the construction set. Okay, I only see that one. Oh my God. There's the produce stand. I got one. I've opened up a ton of these in my previous Five Below hauls, so like I said, you can definitely go back and watch those. I'm hoping for strawberry, lemon meringue, or blueberry muffin. Blueberry muffin, I will take it. I mean, this is so cute. The details are actually stunning. Like, I love it. Okay, so we got that. And then, ladies, look at what I found in the electronics section. I lost my mind over it. Now, I do not have the AirPods for this case. I have like the new generation. I have the one that's like this. I don't know if it can actually fit or not. Maybe it can, but I don't care. I really more so thought of it as a cute little charm or trinket to add to my junk journal. Right? Like, I'm just gonna treat it like a charm. And, well, I'm not gonna take it out right now, but one of my favorite characters in Strawberry Shortcake is actually the sun. Like, the sun in the sky. Look at him right there, popping out. He is so cute, and without him, it kind of would have been like, you know, it just needs that like pop of yellow with strawberry, and it's so cute. Custard is in the window. They also had Care Bears. I think I got a shopping clip of this. Look at this Strawberry Shortcake hairbrush. I just wish we could get the rest of the gang. Like, to have lemon meringue and orange blossom and blueberry muffin as a brush, I would have lost my mind. I don't even want to use this as a brush, to be honest. I want to just like display it in my craft room. I think it's so cute. Rainbow Bright blind bags. And last time I did this, I got Lurky, Murky. I really want Rainbow Bright again. I have gotten Rainbow before, but I want Rainbow Bright, Puppy Bright, and Starlight. So, got one that I wanted. We got Puppy Bright. I think she is so cute. Look at that. Oh my gosh. The little stars on top of her head. I can't. So cute. Okay, let's hope that this is... I'll take another Puppy Bright, actually. No surprise. We got... What's his name? Murky. Oh, there we go. Yeah. So, all right, I'll take it. I got Puppy Bright. And then I found these. This is why I love Five Below. They always have like really unique things, you know, that you don't find kind of anywhere else. They really are such a cool store. Like, I love that we have Dollar Trees and Five Belows and Top Shelves. They're each so unique in their own way. And I found this little stationery juice set. So this is strawberry juice, orange juice. You get a pen, a little pad, and then it looks like you get a little clip. So this one has a strawberry clip, and this one has like an orange slice clip. Anyways, that's it. That's my Five Below haul for today. Like I said, I will link some of the previous hauls from Five Below down below. Whatever. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul and got some good ideas on kind of what's out there. Of course, I'm definitely hauling very nostalgic. But this was such a score. I'm so excited. And yeah, so hopefully that'll be like a little craft Micah and I can do together, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Let me know your thoughts on the Dollar Tree video. I don't know if I should do a live or not, but anyways, I'll see you guys there. Bye.